Welcome to Nature's Table, where we bring ancient herbal wisdom to modern living. Today's star, Moringa, the miracle tree you've probably been overlooking. Moringa oleifera, also known as the drumstick tree, is native to Africa and Asia. For centuries, its leaves, seeds, and pods have been used in traditional medicine to treat everything from fatigue to inflammation. But now, science is catching up, and the results are impressive. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. Just one small handful of dried moringa leaves contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, 3 times more potassium than bananas, 2 times more protein than yogurt. And that's just the beginning. It's also packed with antioxidants, iron, magnesium, and essential amino acids. Let's break down 5 amazing ways moringa can transform your health. 1. Boosts immunity. Its vitamin C and antioxidants help your body fight infections. 2. Reduces inflammation, useful for joint pain, swelling, and long-term illness. 3. Balances blood sugar, may lower blood glucose and support those with diabetes. 4. Improves digestion. Natural fiber helps clean your gut and ease constipation. 5. Protects your heart, reduces bad cholesterol, and supports circulation. You can enjoy moringa in several ways: fresh leaves in soups or salads, dried powder in smoothies or tea, or capsules for convenience. Start with a small amount, about 1 teaspoon of powder per day, and increase gradually. From leaf to root, moringa is truly a gift from nature. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a health boost. Thanks for watching Nature's Table, and remember, your health is your true wealth.